Throw it. Oh, he got it. Try another one. I got that on film. Try it. Oh, he got it. The one right in the front. Try another one. You got an audience.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god!
Oh, he got it. Try another squid. Oh my.
Open up! Hold up!
Oh, he got it. Whoa, did you see that? I got it on film. Oh, they're fighting for the one in his mouth. Look at that. Oh, he caught it! Yeah, they're fighting over it. Oh, that one got it now. Look at them battle over it. They're chasing each other. Look at it. Hold on. Okay. Hey, dare you to put it on your stomach and see if they'll eat off you.
Ah, that would hurt. Try it. What the heck? It's like an actual squid.
I know.
Throw it. Put it on your head. No, don't do that. You did that. Good. Big squid just fell in my mouth.
Calling it?
One more.
All right.